Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chris. This is Penelope. Penelope hates the camera, so I probably have about 30 seconds to just remind you guys that there are many lovely and wonderful pets available at your local pet shelter, so don't forget them. We got Penelope from there about 8 years ago, and she has turned out to be a fabulous pet. She's given us a lot of love and joy. And I just wanted to do a little shout out to any of you out there who are looking for a pet. Definitely try your local pet shelter first. So that is it for my for my public service. She hates the camera. And now we're going to move on to the purpose of this video, which is an unboxing, or in this case, it's actually an unwrapping. I just got this today and I'm really excited to check it out. So I'm literally going to open it up right now. So this is the package that I received, and this is from Beaggi Bags, or Beaggi Designs. I heard about them from Andri's world. If you're familiar at all with Andri, you probably know that she has a fabulous bag collection, and she does a lot of fun videos with her husband, and they talk about wine, and she has a lot of vlogs and everything, but she also loves handbags, and that's where I found out about this Beaggi Designs, and it is actually a bag that is sort of based on a Birkin. So I'm real excited. It just came in the mail today. As you can see, it is all wrapped up. It is not in a box. It's just wrapped with plastic. So I'm going to open it up and see what we have inside here. So the reason that I wanted this bag is because you may know, if you go to any sporting events, that a lot of arenas, a lot of stadiums nowadays require you to carry a clear bag. And I found this out kind of the hard way, because I went to my local arena last year intending to get to go to see a hockey game, and I had my disco bag with me, thinking, oh, it's, you know, a small bag and it's going to be great. And when we got there, I found out that they had changed to a clear bag policy, and they wouldn't let me bring my bag in. So, you know, you have to leave it in the car and the whole bit. And so I decided that I was going to try and find a clear bag. Well, they sold clear bags in the gift shop, and it's really just this plastic thing with a picture of a penguin on it, you know, go Pens. And I bought it because I needed it. So consequently, when I was going to the hockey games, I had this ugly clear tote bag with a penguin on it. And when I saw this from Andri, or Andri's channel, I thought I would definitely have to give it a try, because it's certainly a lot cuter and a lot more stylish than a big plastic tote bag that has a hockey playing penguin on it. Alright, so here we go. No, goodness, it is really wrapped up here. So we've got all kinds of bubble paper. I'm going to try to do the bubble paper. Please bear with me. I might have to fast forward all of this. Like I said, it literally just came in the mail today. A little bit of a surprise, because I had not received an email saying that it was arriving. So I was a little bit shocked to see it in the mailbox today. All right. Bubble wrap all over it. Okay, next layer looks like sort of a little shopping bag. It's cute. Got it tied up in a bow right here. And I want to tie the bow. And there's my little shopping bag. And then inside is a dust bag. Wow. And then inside of the dust bag. Alright, so this says Beaggi right there. Beaggi. So Andri says it's pronounced Beaggi, so that's the way I'm going to pronounce it. And let's get right into it here. Okay. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. Ooh, I love the little bandeau that they gave me with it. Okay, so you've probably seen this. This says on it, Souvenir de l'exposition, un voyage au pays de merveille. So this is based on a Birkin bag, and it is, I forgot what size it is. I think it's a, I don't know what size it is. I'll have to look it up, and I'll put it down on the bottom here. But it looks very much like a Birkin bag. It's got the hardware right here, so you're going to unclasp the belt right there, and there is your flap. I don't have a Birkin, so I don't know how they work. You'll have to forgive me. There we go. You open up the flap like so, and then you get inside the bag. Okay, so I'm guessing that I'm probably going to use this like a top handle or a tote. We got a piece of foam inside there, and then here is your strap right here. So you can connect it to, I don't know where you connect it. Let's see. Okay, there's holes on the side. I guess you connect it on the side here. All right, first impression, the hardware, obviously not going to be the finest quality hardware, but it's nice to have a strap, and it's also nice to have the little scarf right here. I'll take that out in a moment. Okay. And it looks to be nice and roomy inside there. It has sort of a plasticky smell, but not a bad smell. Sometimes you get an item that has a really strong and powerful smell, and it's hard to cope with and hard to handle. But this one doesn't smell bad at all, and it's sort of, I mean, I'm looking at it in sunlight, and it sort of has this tinge to it where it looks a little purpley at certain angles too. Now, I have heard that this does not get sticky, so your items are not going to stick to it inside, and I can see why, because the exterior feels very, very smooth, like very smooth plastic, but the interior has sort of a rough feature to it. Not rough in a bad sense, but not smooth, and consequently probably not going to get sticky. So it is clear. It probably is going to hold a ton of things. And I'm loving it so far. I think it's just the right size to go to a hockey game or a concert of any kind where they have the clear bag policy. I was a little, frustrated by clear bag policy because I love my bags, and I certainly don't want to carry something ugly. So that was the whole point of getting this. I said, oh my gosh, this is so pretty, and at least I can look stylish as I carry my bag around with me. So I think it's going to work out really well. And it's even got feet on the bottom. Looks to be about 9 inches across by about maybe 5 inches wide. And then of course it tapers up at the top. The handles seem really nice. You can open it this way, or you can of course put the flap over it if you like. This is the thing that I think I would find very cumbersome about a Birkin, is that it has this closure that is just not very user-friendly, so that's why you see a lot of, well, I don't see a lot of people with Birkins. I'm talking about, on the internet, on YouTube, or even photos of people. They typically are carrying their Birkins open because they don't want to have to do all of this. But still, it closes like that, and it looks really, really cute. And I'm really happy with it. I'm pretty excited about this. So from this point on, this is going to be my clear handbag for whenever I'm going to any sort of concert or any sort of hockey game or anything like that. And you can see through it, but at the same time it has a little bit of frosting, like a frosted effect to it, so it's not crystal clear. It does not feel cheap. It doesn't feel like you got the $8 tote bag from the gift shop, which is what I did. And I'm pretty happy about this. Okay, let's open up the bandeau and see what we got here. So I don't have high hopes for the bandeau. I'm guessing it's just polyester. But hey, I have a couple silk bandeaus that I can use if I wanted to. But I do like the colors. It is black and pink and gold, so can't beat that. Let me just tie it up in a little bow here, and we'll see what the finished product looks like. There we go, right there. Okay, that looks pretty cute. So I'm pretty happy with this. So overall, my first impressions of the Beaggi Designs is that it is a win. I feel like it seems to be pretty good quality. It came relatively quickly. I think it was about 2.5 weeks to get the bag. And it has this really nice saying on it here, Voyage de merveille. It's just all in all a really cute and really looks high-end to me, even though it's under $60 US. So I'm pretty excited about this, and I'm hoping I get a lot of use out of it. I'll check back with it in a couple of weeks after I've used it a few times and let you know how it's working out for me. But yeah, I'm super excited that I got this bag, and definitely check them out. It's Beaggi Designs, B-A-B-E-A-G-G-I. And I will also link Andri's channel below if you want to check out her information about it. She did a full review of it, and I'll try to link that video below. So thanks to Andri, and thank you all for watching. I hope this was enjoyable for you, and don't forget to subscribe if you like my videos, and leave comments, leave a thumbs up, all that good stuff. And until my next video, take care.